Good afternoon, children. This is Amita Prasad. I am chairperson of Inland Waterways Authority, and I'm here to give you all some idea about biodiversity conservation. My organization, Inland Waterways Authority, is an organization which maintains the waterways for transport and ship on waters. There are 14,000 kilometers of waterways in our country, and out of which we are navigating in about 7,000 kilometer, mostly on Ganga, which is from Banaras to Haldia, and in northeast in Brahmaputra, and in Kerala there is lot of waterways, and some places in Krishna, some places in Goa. So basically, the Inland Waterways is an organization which helps in transporting. How much? What do we transport? We transport materials like steel, fertilizer, whichever is in bulk, and we also maintain help people in cruise tourism. You have heard about cruise tourism. It is mostly in a river, and it is a good way of relaxing. So when we are talking about water, and we are talking about biodiversity, and we are talking about nature, how many things you can talk about in nature? Let us start listing from beginning. So when you get up in the morning, what do you see? You take air as a breathe, then you take water to brush, then you have your bath with water again, then you go out, you see grass, you see trees, you see animals, and you also see birds. So we are very dependent on nature. And then let us not forget the breakfast. What do you eat in breakfast? Maybe a bread which is made of wheat, which again comes from nature. Maybe some cereals, which is again from nature, or the jam which you take, it is a fruit jam, so we take it from nature. So about 80% of our requirement come from nature, and 40% of our economic life is also dependent on nature. So when we look around, there is nature all around us. The air which we breathe, the things which we wear, the cotton clothes which you wear, and all the things around, the wooden furniture in your house, the cane furniture in your house. So most of the things are from the nature. So what am I going to talk to you all? I am telling you all that Earth was created some 14 billion years ago, and there is so much in the in and around the atmosphere. There are diversity. Everything is not similar. You will see two of us don't look alike. There are people who are short, there are people who are tall, there are some people who are dark, some people who are fair, some people are white, some people are yellow. So there is a genetic diversity. Similarly, in nature we see there are different type of trees. Some trees have bigger leaves, some are smaller leaves, and when we talk about these things, there is a diversity. So there are genetic diversity, there are eco-diversity, and there are diversity in nature itself. So when we talk about what is in the nature, the nature provides us everything. It is our economic bone, and it is also we take so much from the nature. So what is the role each one of us have to play? Like suppose in my waterways, what is my role? My role is to see that the river which is there is not silted, and if it is silted, we remove the silt from there. But we do not we do not silt the entire river. We have to also take care of the marine life, we have to also take care of the fishes, we have to also take care of the sand there. So from Ganga, we do not take out any sand, but in smaller places or smaller rivers, depending on the environment, we take care of that. So when we are talking about environment, so it is about air, water, and soil. And when we are talking about biodiversity, it is all about whatever is in the nature. The nature is built up, as I told you, plant, the trees, the animals, and everything. So what do we do about it? There is lot of things which happens in nature, and there are lot of things which we can do to preserve nature. How do we do? I had visited Japan some time back, and you know what? We were taken to a small patch where the paddy was being grown. Now we see paddy all around our country, and we do not bother how it is transplanted, how it is being done. So my request to all the children will be, when you come out, watch the nature, watch the dog, watch the trees, watch the plants, watch everything around you. How do they survive? What do they eat? Have you seen a peacock? If you have not, go to the ridge, see it around. So when we are talking about all these things, there is so much you can do. First thing is that be aware. मैं आप लोगों से क्या बात कर रही हूँ? मैं आप लोगों को ये बता रही हूँ कि हम जब नेचर में रहते हैं, नेचर के साथ रहते हैं, सुबह हम क्या लेते हैं? हम दूध पीते हैं. दूध कहाँ से आता है? गाय से आता है. गाय कहाँ है? वो नेचर का एक हिस्सा है, वो एक जानवर है, और उनको सर्वाइव करने के लिए वो क्या खाती हैं? घास खाती हैं, प्लांट खाती हैं. तो एक जो सिस्टम बना हुआ है सर्कुलर, वो उसमें सब शामिल हैं. गाय दूध देती है, दूध कहाँ से बनता है? तो घास से बनता है. घास कहाँ आती है? तो मिट्टी पे होता है. मिट्टी कहाँ से जमती है? तो बारिश होती है. बारिश कहाँ से आती है? तो नदियों और जलाशयों का पानी भाप बन के ऊपर आता है, वही फिर पानी के रूप में हमारे पास मिलता है. तो हम सब क्या है कि एक चीज़ में कनेक्टेड हैं, सब लोग कनेक्टेड हैं. वो नेचर हमें सबको बांध के रखती है. आप लोगों को और मैं एक और बात बताना चाहूँगी कि जो हमारे अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम है. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट इट, व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम एंड व्हाट इज़ द इश्यूज which we are seeing around. You might have noticed that the rainfall has come less, and you will also see that sometimes we do not have so harsh winter. You will hear your parents or your grandparents say, earlier it used to be so cold, nowadays it is not cold. So what is happening? There is a climate change. And climate change, why it is happening? Because we are cutting the trees. And why? When we are cutting the trees, then entire system gets broken. Because if there is no water, then there will be no cloud. If there is no cloud, there will be no rain. If there is no rain, there will be no grass. If there is no grass, there will be no product. So the thing what I am trying to say is that we have to preserve nature as we have got it. So what do we do to do this biodiversity conservation? First and foremost, may I request all of you to keep a diary and note down whatever you see around. So today you might see a myna, tomorrow you may see a sparrow, you may see a crow, and you may see a cuckoo. Now when you mention that, if you are from Delhi, you will see different animals. And if you are from Nagaland, you will see a different animal. There will be a difference in the flora fauna also around you. We are product of nature. Most of the things are connected to nature, and most of the things are connected to the ecosystem which we live in. In some places we have more rain, some places we have less rain. In our own country there are different type of people, there are different type of climate. So you keep a diary, I told you, and after keeping a diary, then you note down what are the things changing you are seeing. You will see one tree which was there is no longer there. Sometimes you may see there was a small tank, there was water there, and the tank is no longer there. And it is happening very fast. What is your job as a young naturalist? You must be aware of the nature. आपके आसपास क्या है उसके बारे में आपको जानकारियाँ रखनी चाहिए. आपके आसपास जो भी है वो कैसे है, वो क्या बिहेव करता है, तभी आप कर पाएंगे कि आप किसी की रक्षा कर पाएंगे. हम जब डेवलपमेंट करते हैं, जब बड़े मकान बनते हैं तो कुछ पेड़ काटने पड़ते हैं. तो जब पेड़ कटते हैं तो क्या हम नए पेड़ लगा सकते हैं? हम ये देखेंगे. सो मैं आप लोगों से क्या रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप अवेयरनेस लाइए, पानी को खुला ना छोड़िए. उसके अलावा आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैदल चलिए, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साइकिल चलाइए. जहाँ पर आप पैदल जा सकते हैं वहाँ पैदल जाइए. wherever you can't go by foot, take your cycle. So you save on energy also. You may say that it is very crowded, we feel very tired. But it is always better if it is a short distance, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer, you can always walk. So that will be two benefit to you. One, you will feel good, and you will feel happy, healthy also, and you will get more oxygen. So try to do this. Now, what else we can do to green economy? We call it a green economy. As I told you earlier, 80% of our food comes from nature. 40% of our economy is based on the nature. So we need to conserve it. How do we do it? Two ways. One is that we conserve as it is. So there is a tree, we see that the tree is protected. If there is a water source, we see that the water source is protected. And there another one is that in some other place you have to build and you have to do it. You might be reading in the newspapers that so many trees were planted. When was the Environment Day? 5th of June. And there are other days also. 21st of March is Earth Day. 22nd May is a World Biodiversity Day. Similarly, we have other things. So when we are looking around, we see many things, and we need to do something for ourselves. We need to do something for Mother Nature. And how it can happen? It can happen. You can plant a small tree in your park. You can look after it. You can name it. You plant it on your birthday. This time when your birthday comes, you tell your parents, I will like to plant a tree. Find a place and plant a tree. And when your grandparents' birthday comes, plant a tree. Gift a tree to your friends and colleagues instead of gifting them something else, and you take care of that. So what happens when you look around the nature, you feel very, very good. The other thing I'll tell you to what to do when we are looking at how we developed. Human were not like that. 65,000 years ago, we were living in caves. And from the caves, we went to the village. We started the farming. We got the fire. We did the fire. And from there, we started working. So our human mind is all the time thinking. Without thinking, there is no human mind. Why we are superior? We are not superior as such. You will see ants are better disciplined than us. Tigers are better disciplined than us. But we have slightly more brain. I mean, we can think. We invented so many things. What was the first invention? Tell me. Fire, then wheels. These are the two things which change the human nature. So, and what are we doing now? We are all the time on the computer. Of course, computer is not a bad thing. You come to know many things. But go out, play, and look at the nature. What else can we do as a children? Some of you are small, some of you are big, but each one of you can do the tree planting. Easiest thing to do. If you have any water source, a tank, or any other water source, try to keep it clean. Nothing can be better than a water source. It gives you so much of pleasure. If you see water, what do you feel like doing? I feel like jumping into the water. It makes you so happy to see some water. So, preserving water is also another thing. You might have read that there are many people who are trying to conserve the river. How do we conserve the river? First, do not put any plastic anywhere. Don't put plastic in the water. If you have plastic, there are disposable bags. First and foremost, reuse. If you have a bottle of water, take that water, put water in that only again and again. Don't use the water and throw it. If you can preserve, reuse, and that will be very good if you can reuse things. When we were children, we really used to reuse. During our time, there were not many things like you all have, everything you have, too many things you have. In our times, it was not there. So, what we used to do, we used to use the newspaper and used to make bags. Now, they are very good bags. You can also do that. You make newspaper bags and you can push it around. I was talking to you about the human history also. So many years back, the human came out of the forest. They discovered agriculture. They started doing their own things. They built up their houses. They weaved their clothes, they were feeling hungry, they kept on discovering. Human mind is one thing which keeps on discovering. So, dear children, keep on discovering, keep on doing new things, try to preserve whatever we have, try to preserve whatever we can, and be good children. Thank you very much. I'm so glad to speak to you all. Thank you.